Milan, too sexy for Milan, New York and Japan.
Hey guys, happy Black Friday. You can see I'm all bundled up. We're not very warm over here on the left coast, at least not here in the high desert. So, now that Thanksgiving's passed and, we got through that. I think I put on about 10 pounds yesterday. I feel kind of bloated today. And I just ate a bunch of leftovers this morning. I had a bunch of deviled eggs. You can never have enough deviled eggs, right? If you don't like deviled eggs, there's something wrong with you. But now that we're past Thanksgiving, we're here on Black Friday. My wife's out shopping right now. I don't want any part of that stuff. That's crazy out there at the stores right now, I'm sure. And I know you get some good deals on stuff, but I really don't care. If I need something, I'll just go on Amazon, and they'll have it delivered in 48 hours. That's my way of Christmas shopping. I'm sure a lot of guys are like that these days. I don't like going to those stores. So, I was thinking about, it's now considered the holiday season. Obviously, I think it starts about yesterday, and I think Thanksgiving is the beginning, and then all the way through at least New Year's Day. So, I was thinking, there's a lot of people that don't have things. During this holiday season, I've been pretty blessed to have pretty much everything I want. And I got some stuff that's laying around here in the shop that's just sitting here, not doing anybody any good, not making them any money, not keeping them working. Some HVAC tools that I've had just sitting around. So what I would like to do is I might try to do it during my live streams. I'm just not sure how to go about it, because last time I tried to do it, I didn't get much response. I want to make sure this time that we do it right, and we get a good pool of people together to pick the right person, because last time I just got a couple people, and some people just want a handout. I want somebody that really was going to appreciate it and deserves it. So without further ado, let me show you the stuff I have, and we'll go from there. So happy Thanksgiving, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, all that good stuff. Here's the stuff I want to give away. Alright guys, it's the annual Seaton Million Christmas Light Extravaganza. I've got all my lights here. That one already emptied out. I'll show you what I got laid out. Just some spare stuff. I got boxes and boxes up here, more lights to put up. Let's go in here. I'll show you what I got going on. So I got these lights on the gutter there already. Got my cords all strung about. And then each one of these are the rope lights. I wrap around each of the poles. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And I'm probably going to do a 12th down there. Do some cleanup and get these lights up. I leave these ones up here up all throughout the year. I got a bunch I'm going to put on the on the front. I wrap every window. I'll wrap my gutters. I go all out. So I'm gonna get working on that today. It's the holiday season, and I got sorry, the house is a little bit of a mess. I'm gonna show you. It's like a nursery in here because of my daughter. A little messy. She's making messes. Hi, Roxy. But we're starting to get some of our Christmas stuff up. We try to get one of these new figurines every year. Got Rumpelstiltskin. We got the reindeers partying in their party bus. Got the old, I think this thing lights up, kind of looks like a snow globe, and then our lit up Christmas tree there. But yeah, it's coming along. But that's not, I kind of want to show, let me show you our stockings too. We put one up for all of our pets too. So we got me, my daughter, 2 dogs, 3 cats, and Mom, of course. So yeah. But that's not what I wanted to show you. I'll show you out here in a second. I want to do some sort of giveaway for Christmas, and it's really important to me to give back, especially during this season. Some people don't have much. We've we've been pretty lucky. There's my daughter's playset. I was able to get that up last year. Cost me a pretty penny to get that done. Yeah, let's get to what we're really talking about. All right, guys. First off, we have ourselves the TechMate Infinicon refrigerant leak detector. I'm assuming that we'll find gas leaks too. It says it's A2L certified, whatever that means these days. See if I can find the model number for you. I can't. Maybe you guys know what the model number is. Let's turn it. Oh, that's the. There we go. I have no idea what SAE J1627 means. But anyway, we have that guy. We have the Navac NRS2I01 wireless refrigerant scale. Wireless Bluetooth control, precision sensor, magnesium alloy weighing pan, large backlit display, integrated handle design. Okay, these just been collecting dust in my shop here. I got the Navac vacuum pump, the NP4DP, high ultimate vacuum, dual stage, blah, blah, blah. You can read the rest. Pro Series. Then I have the Testo wireless gauges. Comes with your low and your high pressure gauges. Comes with your temperature clamps. Fresh batteries there. All unopened, guys. I just opened that so you can see what it was, because it just says Testo on the front. And then I have the Hillmore brand new compact bender kit. They don't put the model numbers on these, but you guys know. And I think that these, I do believe these have the reverse attachment on there, so you can do reverse bend if you're in a tight spot. So, yeah, these are the tools I'm thinking about giving away this holiday season. I just need to know how to do it, because I tried to do giveaways. I didn't get much traction on it, and I'd like to know what you guys think is the best way to do it. Put it in the comment section. Happy to do it. It's holiday season. Between now and Christmas, between now and New Year's, I'd like to be able to get rid of this stuff. Just sitting here collecting dust. I don't really need it.
And I am too sexy for Milan, too sexy for Milan, New York and Japan.